Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I did a video this Easter, or straight after, where I showed you the gift, one of the best gifts I've ever received, the NOCO AL5, the air pump for car tires. I've used it a lot. I really like it. It's not perfect, it's a little bit loud. Very easy to get on the button because I have it in my bag all the time. So sometimes it gets started, sometimes the lights get started. So it's very easy on the buttons. And it's not perfect when it comes to the bars. Maybe it's because I changed from PSI to bar, but it's not perfect in that way. But I'm happy with it. Yeah, now the light was on. I'm happy with it. I like it. I recommend it. It's cheap. I use it a lot. I'm very thankful for it. But I have it. It's a bit heavy to have with you all the time. I have it with me all the time. So I was thinking to get another one so I don't have it with me all the time, but I have it in our car all the time. And yeah, I'm gonna get that one as well. I also have boosters in all my cars. Let me get one of the boosters. So I don't use my boosters at all as often, but I also like to have them with me. Have it in the car all the time. I have a couple of them, both from CTEC and from NOCO, and some other ones. I highly recommend them. It's good to have. I've saved a lot of people with it. So when buying a new one, wanna get the NOCO that has the booster and the pump in the same product. And this was the one that I was going to buy from the beginning, but it was hard to get. This one as well, but now here it is. I got caught on the box. So this one is really heavy, so this will not be something that I will be carrying with me. This will be laying in the car. So now I have at least one more pump to have with me in a car with a booster. I have checked a bunch of videos about this one because this product is at least 1 year old, and I've been wanting it the whole time. And I'm unsure if it's more precise than the AL5, the cheaper AL5, or is faster or more quiet. I don't know, but I don't have any need for it to be faster. It would be nice if it's more quiet maybe, but yeah. And what I've contacted NOCO with is that I would like a release air button, so to you see how much air I have in the tires and then release it via a button. That would be nice. And there were another request as well that I don't remember, just to show you what it sounds like. So yeah, it's loud, but I have great use for it. I checked the airs in my tires like every day. The other day I was the neighborhood hero when I pumped all the children's bicycles on the yard. So here we have the connectors, clamps, strong, and the carrying bag you have it with. What I do like with, now I have it in the car, with the CTEC one, is that you get it in a protection case. Charging cable, I hope is a USB-C. Yes, it is. And that's it. And here we have, it is quite heavy. Yeah, so this is nothing you will carry with you. It is heavy. I would guess like 5 kilos maybe. Maybe it says somewhere on it. But laying in the car, that doesn't matter. And the cable is, the hose is longer than the other one. The flashlight is bigger. So it is a completely different product than this. No, not completely different, but this one is only for ear, and this is a booster and ear. And where do we have, so here in the rear we have the plugs that I use when I pump kids' bikes and some other things. Here I can't find that, but they are hopefully somewhere. It doesn't seem like it. Yeah, it's here, it's here. And you can use this as a power bank if that's needed. But this is mainly a booster to start your car, and it can also pump the tires. Yeah, so I like it. I will hopefully have use for it. No, I don't say that. I don't hopefully get use for it. When needed, I will have it hopefully with me. It's very hot, so I will end this video. It's sweaty warm. So thanks for watching. Ask me if you have any questions. And I have a question for you. First of all, do you have a booster? I don't think you have. Most people, most of my friends doesn't have a booster. But I want to know, how often do you check the air in your car tires? Answer me that. It's alarming. It's frightening how rarely people check the air in their tires. So answer me that. How often do you check the tires in your, check the air in your car tires? Now I'm tired as well. All right, the sun is down. I've rested, I've eaten. Now I'm a little bit more clear in the head. So out of curiosity, I wonder how much it really does weigh. So let's check that out. And also, I get asked a lot, since I have using boosters for many years now, and recommended them for many years. People ask me what to buy. And NOCO goes by the volume, how big the engine is. I found that weird at first, but I realized that the smaller boosters I have only manage up to 2 liters motors, which most people have today in their cars. And C-Tech doesn't go by that at all. And many others also think that that is weird, because a booster should start an engine no matter how big the engine is. But that is just not true. So my recommendation is to go after how big your engine is. So NOCO has a bunch of them. GB 25 I think is the smallest I have. This one is old now. GB 50, and this one is called 65, AX65. So that is my recommendation. So now to the weight. With the bag doesn't weigh anything at all, but the AL5, the only air pump, weighs 872 grams. And my old booster, that I mainly call old because it doesn't have a USB-C inlet. It has the old micro USB, I think it was called. So that is the only reason why I'm thinking of buying a new one, because the newer one have USB-C. And with the clamps and everything, it weighs like that. 1223 grams. And then we have the big one, the AX65, which is a booster and a pump. And I was guessing 5 kilos. So let's see how right. Oh, the bag with the clamps as well, because this is how you storage it or have it in your car. I will absolutely not have this in my carry-on bag. All right, so 3.6 kilos. What did I guess? I guess 5 kilos. So that means I'm weak. So 3.6 kilos. And these two combined is less than that. Yeah, so those two combined are 2.1 kilo. Just to make this video a little bit more fun. That's it. Should we see what it sounds like? I should show you how it works, but I won't go out now in the middle of the night. Why I complain about the sound on this one was the other night I had a friend over that needed air in the tires, so we went out and it feels like I woke up the whole neighborhood. So let's see here. And it's set to PSI, and to changes to bar, I think you hold them both in. Yes, exactly. Bar. There we have it. 1.3. So let's say 1.5. It is actually quieter. It is actually. Now you hear it with my mic, but the sound was maybe as loud, but in a lower octane, so to say. Yeah. Yeah. This is absolutely more quiet. Or less loud. Less loud. Yeah. So I will use this more, and I like it more. But I will absolutely keep on continue using this one, because I use it a lot. I like it a lot. And now when it's warm and cold at night, I'm really picky with the air pressure in the tires. So yeah, daytime I have one pressure, and nighttime I have another pressure. On a hot day I have one pressure, on a cold day I have another pressure. So yeah, I'm really picky with that. I hope this made the video a little bit better. Now when I'm clear in my head. And now, good night.